Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the grocery store today. I can't even talk. Me and the husband has decided to try to do low carb again. We done it before. He was very successful. I was not because I didn't do it very well. But I'm really going to put my all into it. So I'm really going to try this. What does this mean for you guys here on In the Kitchen with Sandy? Absolutely nothing. I'm still going to deliver some of the best recipes I can for you. Actually, any of the sweets or anything like that, it'll just be in smaller, you know, a smaller dish is what I'm trying to say. But I just got back from the grocery store, and of course my battery's getting ready to go dead, but I'm going to go over some stuff that I bought, and I'm going to let you know some of the things that I plan on cooking this week. First, I'm going to charge my battery. Alright guys, it is a day later, and you know what? I did not get back to show you my grocery haul because, number one, it was like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the day. I hadn't eaten anything yet. Had some leftover pasta from the day before that I had made, some spaghetti. And I knew what was coming because we're going to do this low carb thing, like I said. And I just wanted to fill my belly with all the spaghetti that I could fill it with, because spaghetti is one of my favorite things to eat. I love spaghetti. So after I ate my spaghetti, I wasn't any good. You know, I was in that carb mode, and I had to take a nap. So, but anyway, we're prepping today. Today for dinner, I'm making, ain't nobody else making it. We're gonna do some steaks, and then I'm gonna do like a cheesy cauliflower type bake and salad. So that's what I'm gonna do today for dinner. My dogs are over there playing. Already gotten, I bought a cauliflower yesterday. Like I said, we're gonna do a like a cheesy cauliflower bake. So I've already got that prepped in my pan. I just left it in big chunks here, because it's going to cook down just perfectly fine. So all I'm going to do is add some water just to cover it. I've got a couple cups of water here. Where'd my other one go? And really, that's really enough. You just want to color it. You just want to cover it. And then I like to add, when I'm making like a cheesy cauliflower bake, or you know, anything like that. When I'm cooking my cauliflower, I like to add 1 chicken bouillon cube. One is not really going to flavor a lot, but it is going to give the water like a different, it's going to take some of the cauliflower smell and taste away. I love cauliflower. I love to eat cauliflower. Sometimes I like it better if it doesn't have that big, bold cauliflower flavor to it. And just add 1 chicken bouillon cube is going to take some of that away, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the stove. I'm going to cover it, bring it to a boil, and I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes just till it starts getting fork tender. Now while my cauliflower is getting started cooking, I want to show you guys something. What is that on there? Oh, that's a piece of the that's a piece of the glue from the container. This little container here is, I think these are so convenient, because this is what, you know, some of the meat comes in, like prepackaged lunch meat or what have you. I forget the name brand of it. But anyway, I threw it out yesterday because it was like getting bad. But I love to save these containers because look, they're perfect to put things in. I love those. And plus, if the kids come over and they want to take something home, it's like they don't take all your bowls. And these as well, this is what we get blue cheese in, blue cheese crumbles. And they're perfect just for like little things that you can save. Just wash those and save those. Don't throw those away. That's your little tip for today. All right, so what I'm doing now while my cauliflower is cooking, we're still in the prep mode of, you know, healthy snacking here. So I bought some celery and some baby carrots and cucumbers, black olives, green olives. I bought meat. What are those called? Those like I'll show you in a minute when I get ready to cut them up. And I bought blocks of cheese. What I'm going to do right now is go ahead and prep stuff like that to put it in the refrigerator, pop it in the refrigerator, so at any time when, you know, we're like starving, whatever, our belly's grumbling, we're going to have those fresh vegetables on hand to snack on. So like I said, preparation is key. I really believe that thinking ahead is key to this. And you know, I'm not trying to enforce keto on anybody or whatever. This is just something that I feel that I need to do because, you know, I just feel bad. I feel bad all the time because I've gained so much damn weight. It is what it is. I'm not gonna lie, but don't you change you. I love everything about you. I love you just the way you are. So I'm not trying to change anybody here. I just wanted to show you, just in case some people might want to do the keto diet as well, or, you know, learn how to do some prepping, and I just want to be able to help you do that. So what I'm going to do is get started on this celery. I'm done prepping. I'm going to show you what I got in here. I've got 2 bowls of cucumbers here. And I like to leave the peelings on. I like them like that. So I got 2 little bowls of cucumbers. Now, some of them, the top one I'll use for salad today. And the other ones are just going to be for snacking. And here I've got some black olives, which I love. I also got some green olives too. I love those things. But those are in a container, in a jar, to where you can just get those out very easily. Got my meat in here. And this is really good. I love summer sausage. And here I've got my cheeses. Oops, that one's stuck. I better get it. I better eat that. And then here I've got celery and carrots. Now, I feel that it's very worth it. It is something that I need to do to stay focused on my new adventure. So I've got all that cut and cleaned and prepped, ready to go in the refrigerator. And my cauliflower is done. So I'm going to drain that. Actually, I'm doing a video on it, so it's going to be 2 separate videos. So it'll be a recipe video, so you guys are going to get to see that anyway. So I'm not going to go ahead and follow through with cooking that right now. What other kind of prep am I going to do? I'm going to make some eggs, boiled eggs, for eating a quick breakfast in the morning. I'm also going to make some deviled eggs today. So let's get started on that. Trust and believe, my friends, it is not very often. Actually, I don't think that it has ever happened. I know it's never happened that I have peeled eggs, boiled eggs, and they've all come out perfect. You know, usually you peel them and some of them kind of get all jacked up and look like they've been run over by a car, and I can't believe it. Every single one of these turned out perfect. Not one bad egg. Look at that. I cannot believe that. And if you don't already have the recipe for my deviled eggs, it's already on here. It's one of my first videos that I've ever made, so reference back to that. Perfect deviled eggs. They're absolutely amazing. So I'm going to pop these in the refrigerator and I'm going to get started on my deviled eggs. The last thing I want to show you is I bought some ground chuck yesterday. Look how big it is. This is a little over 4 pounds, 4 1/4 pounds. This will make at least 3 to 4 meals for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this. And I mean, like, one section could be for taco meat one night, some type of soup if I want to create some type of soup, or meatballs, what have you, with this. And then I plan on making like Salisbury steak, smothered Salisbury steak with onion, like gravy, and that'll be for that. So this was $11.08 for this whole container, and it's gonna be perfect. We're gonna have at least 3 to 4 meals with this, if not more, to be honest. So what I do is, let's back up a little bit. I guess we can't back up. I just take them and, I mean, very simple. Just lay them right on there. And you know, this other side's a little bit bigger over here, so I'm gonna add some to that. This is gonna be perfect for like taco meat or what have you. And then I just wrap it in foil. I don't label my stuff when I put it in the freezer because I generally know what it is just by the feel of it. And then I double wrap it. I flip it over and I double wrap it. So we're gonna have hamburger, ground chuck available for whatever we're gonna use it for. I will end this little vlog here, this little quick tutorial prep whatever for dinner for the week. I think I've done pretty good. I've got it all planned out for the next 5 days. I've got plenty of food, got plenty of healthy food, food for keto, plenty of snacks for snacking. I think this week might be probably a good week for me, so just keep your fingers crossed. And if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, let me know down below. Like I said, don't worry, my friends, because I'm still going to be cooking, you know, the same sweet stuff and whatever as before. I'll just do it in smaller portions, so I'm not forced to eat it. But I hope you enjoy this short little video. You know I love you guys so very much. Gotta have a quick sip of my coffee. I love you, I love you, I love you. I appreciate you. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you here in my kitchen, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy.